Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to open a document on Google Docs. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for docs.google.com. You can see that on my search bar. So now here at the lower part of my screen, you can see all of the recent documents that I have on my Google Docs. So to open a document, just go ahead and click on it and you can now view the document. But if you have a document that is on Excel, I want you to do is to click on this main menu button or these three little lines at the upper left corner of your screen and click here on Sheets. And here you can see all of your documents on Google Sheets and Excel. Here Google Forms, and if you want to open in Google Drive, just go ahead and click here at the Drive option. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.